So excited, guys. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. As you guys might realize, the sea looks pretty flat. Yo, when you're being someplace for a while, especially in nature, you start observing stuff if you're here long enough. And one thing that I did observe, in the earlier parts of the morning, it gets very flat. I'm a little bit off track. I woke up late this morning, about 8 o'clock, so which is not good for me. But I don't mind. Oh, went the wrong way. I don't mind because I need sleep. I went to bed very late, so took in some sleep, got up at 8:30 basically, and that's been my morning so far. But anyway, the objectives for today, I kind of wanted to see if I could find another part, like if I could see this island that they call Carabita Island, right? So I'm just here stocking up on some water really quick. I'm gonna throw it in the cooler for a little bit. So I'm charging my phone as well because for some reason, well, it was giving me some issues to charge. So that was my problem. Never charged, well, I never wanted to charge it overnight. And then I might be doing something, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so that's the whole plan. So I'm getting some supplies in, put some water in the cooler so I can have some water while I'm out there. I put another bottle. And hopefully I can catch the flats while it's still out. All right, so I do have 2 more empty bottles. I'm gonna fill that up. But I did realize them party ice, they are not the best for camping. They dissolve pretty fast. The ones that I made myself, the blocks that I made from home, those lasted really well. But water is still very cold, so that's fine. But I find for camping, it's better you make or you get blocks of ice, like actual chunks of ice that lasts really long. Guys, somewhat nice is the spot here. I can see some type of reef life happening below, I believe. But here's the thing. I haven't practiced how to disembark the boat and come back on. If I was without the motor, it'd be different because I know I could easily flip the back over if anything happened with the motor on. I can't afford that, so I guess sometime later on I'll try to practice how to embark the boat the best way, what position, whether it's from this side up on the front where Vanilla is hugging right now because she believes that she's in the Titanic or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go around that bend there and see if I can get a chance to glimpse Carabita Island. Jamaica is so beautiful, yo. So beautiful. Alright. Oh shoot, Vanilla fell off. Vanilla, come. She's going to the go save this dog. There's always some drama. Vanilla! So I turn around. Good girl. Good job. Come. Come on. can't really use the motor here. I don't know how deep it is. Now, one thing when you get in these situations, you can't get too antsy, because if you do, you freak out. I'm already calculating that my dog can swim, and she's doing the right thing, which is coming. Hey, come girl, come girl, come. Ah, she's doing the right thing, which is going to rocks. But Vanilla, come on. Oh my god, this is a freaking adventure. Vanilla. You know what? If I don't get this motor right, we can't get back home. She found a rock. Vanilla, come on. Vanilla. Oh my god. Alright, so she's out of the woods. I'm not worried too much about her now. Yeah, when you're in these situations, you just gotta be calm. So the boat is literally here. Come on! Let me go save my dog. Like, this was literally the same thing that we spoke about before, which was like learning how to come off the boat without getting hurt. These rocks are kind of sharp. Come! I legit do not want to have it just damage my hull. Come on. Please, Lord, don't flip my boat. Okay, I feel it going. Come on. Come. Let me get close enough. Okay. Oh, shit, I heard that hit the bottom of that. No bueno. Screw this. Good. Alright. I don't want it to hit the bottom too hard. We should back off of that. Come on, crazy dog. This actually looks like a really nice spot. I think I might do some bit of camping here sometime pretty soon. Yeah, I think I just might. Come on. At least here is a rocky car. Come on. God damn it. Can't believe you did that, bro. I don't feel much of a hull damage. Oh shoot. Alright, we're okay. Let's get back on. Thanks for the drama. Stay right there. Thank you so much, sis, for the drama. I definitely need to get you a life jacket, sis. Sis? Vanilla, we need to get you a life jacket. Yeah, crazy dog. I think over there, somewhere right there, looks really cool. I'm actually just trying to find some campsites. I think I'm gonna go back to that spot where Vanilla jumped off, because it must have been a sign, and see if I can just see what the ocean life looks like there. But I'm no way, shape or form, I don't know what happened to my camera just now, but I'm no way, shape or form even close to Carabita Island, so I don't think it makes sense. But either way, right now I'm just really purging out the not purging out, making the engine run for a while, you know, getting it all worked in. So killing two birds with one stone. But I might go a little bit of snorkeling to that same spot, but I'm gonna see if I can go somewhere off there. I just saw a couple divers somewhere out there, so I have to watch out for them, because sometimes divers, they're not diving with a dive balloon, so you don't know if they're there, and I would not want to run over anybody. So yeah, let's do it. It should be somewhere around that bend, but I'm still not seeing it, yo. By drive, it's about a 30-minute drive, so I know by boat it'd be crazy. Because all I'm seeing is just deep blue. Yeah, I don't know about this. I already don't. Alright, so the waves are picking up just a little bit. I don't think nothing I'm gonna be too afraid of. Eye distance, I can see land. It's not that far behind. So if things do get antsy, I should be okay. But of course, I do see a spearfisherman over there, so if I can go talk to him or not. Some persons may know, may not know. This whole stuck on an island thing, it's always been about like meeting different people who have different pathways. So you guys know my boy Spearfish in Jamaica. You know, link up with him from time to time, met a great soul. Met quite a few other people as well along the way. Dope Chick TV. Yeah, a couple of the people. You guys saw who I've met so far. So I'm gonna ask him, you know, just to see what he catches out here as a spear fisherman. And let's see how that goes. And yes, I turned the motor off because, as I said before, okay, I see him. I hope he don't think I'm rude. You guys can see him somewhere. It's an orange thing. It's an orange snorkel. And of course, Vanilla sees him a long time. She ready. He's like, who the hell are you? Do you want me to swim out to you? I'll mess you up in the water. We already know this. Crazy dog. And he's gone. And Vanilla is still looking at him. She's very alert. You hear it? She's like, I smell you even under the water, bro. You don't even know. I should be a cop. I should be a drug cop. I know it. In my other life, it was a little bit bigger. Hell yeah, I could. Hell yeah, I would. Oh, that guy definitely seems like he's mad busy. And like in life, as I always tell people, you gotta read energies sometimes. So he's either like super focused, or he does not want to be messed with. So I'm going to, or maybe he don't even see me. That'd be crazy if he doesn't. Because I know water travels, sound travels well underwater. So anyway, I'm going to go over to that reef part, do a little swimming for myself, and try to get something to eat after. That's the goal for today. Okay, and we're back to this spot. You remember this place? Yeah. Place where you almost broke my heart. All right. Just of course close our engine off. Matter of fact, before I even close it off, I need to see how much gas I got. I'm not even sure how well this boat burns fuel. Oh, the side of this boat is hot. Oh my god. Bruh. Alright. Pretty damn good. Burns pretty well. Alright. Close that. Plus I have some fuel there as well, so I should be okay. Alright. Now I gotta figure out, like, how am I gonna anchor myself up? Now let's do that. Scooch, whatever. Oh, Vanilla, you probably need some water too. I forgot to put water in her watering bowl. God damn. Seriously, man. I'm sorry. Come. Water? Water? Oh, you're wasting the water, girl. Come on. Not thirsty? Aqua. Aqua. Good job. I'm gonna have some myself. Let's go. Yeah, definitely getting to that point where I set out to do something and I forgot what I actually came for, and that was actually the anchor. So this way I can anchor myself in, because the tides could change at any moment. It's getting close to midday. I need to get me like a sports watch, a diver's watch or something like that, because my Apple Watch isn't the best. Yeah, anybody want to send me one? Send me one, I'll be happy. Thanks, appreciate it. But fun and joke aside, I do need to get like a watch because I didn't bring my watch, so I'm not even aware of time unless I use my phone. So alright, let's do this. Alright, to show you guys how balanced this boat is, I can stand in it. You know, some persons kind of wonder, how balanced is this boat? But you can actually stand in it. It's a pretty balanced boat. It does want to self-rescue itself. It doesn't want to just crash or nothing. Alright. To be honest with you guys, I understand the concept of a, what you call that thing? Of an anchor. But I won't tell you I'm an expert on it as I go along. I like learning just by trial and error. So as I go along, I'll understand it even better. A friend did give me some tips about it though. So he was saying, what you gotta do, just throw it out and go back until it pulls onto something. I guess in my case, I could just drag it along until it anchors itself into something. Let's see how well my little version works. Yeah, so it's anchored so well that I can pull the boat towards it. And if you guys can see it down there. Oh man, I know some of you guys love drone shots, but let me tell you, this type of vlogging is quite easy, one of the more difficult kinds of vlogging. Because you have the water elements, you don't want things to get messed up. Trying to do my thing just now. Of course the phone's telling me, oh, water or some crap like that, and disconnections and no fly zone, all that crap. I was just like, I can't be bothered with that right now. I literally spent like 15-20 minutes just figuring that part out. So, nah. I'm not about that life at the moment. I just want to enjoy the moment and do what I gotta do. But I think eventually what I'm gonna do is to get myself, what you call that thing, a designated screen for the drone. I think DJI sells them or something like that. All right, even though I never want to do this, I have to learn how to come out of this boat without tipping it over. Is it tipping? That wasn't so bad. I think Pretty good. Alright. Let me take my things off of here. It could be a nice or a very interesting campsite. I don't know. I haven't gotten around to find the island if I want to, but here seems interesting. I just have to find somewhere I could have like a nice bedding. So far, no bueno. No bueno. Oh man, these rocks are sharp. Oh my God. Oh, no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Okay. Turns like these, I need my Crocs. Ow, 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 ow. No, this is not the side that I wanted to get to. I don't know if you guys can see. Vanilla is somewhere down there. Alright, this is not where I wanted to get to. Let's go. I want to get through over there. Alright, so I'm going to hold on to this here, slowly take myself. Oh.